How to use Instagram frames. In this video, I will show you how to use Instagram frames. First, open or launch the Instagram mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Before we can proceed, exit the Instagram mobile application and open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because the tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS devices. After that, type Instagram and check if the Instagram app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the latest plus the missing features on the app. After that, come back to the Instagram mobile application. Next, tap on the story icon and start creating a new story. After adding the story background photo, go to the top menu on the screen where you will see options such as Add Text icon and the Stickers icon. From the options that are here, the one we need is the Stickers icon. Here it is, tap on it. After that, this page or menu will appear where you will see all these different stickers, such as the location and music stickers. Look for a sticker named Frames. As you can see, mine appears here at the top section. Tap on it. After that, your gallery will open. Look for the photo you want to add the stickers to. After that, tap on it. The photo will be added to the frame just like you can see here. After that, you can also add a small caption to the photo to let your friends know what the frame is about. Since this is a recently added feature, you may not be having it on your Instagram account. If that is the case, then don't worry because this can happen for various reasons and can be solved. Try upping your Instagram app to the latest version and check if the feature appears. If after updating the app, the feature is still missing, then report the issue to the Instagram support team and explain to them what the issue is about. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to use Instagram frames.